My favorite thing is just being here, seeing all the different robots, all the different designs, how they tackle the challenge, and learning something from them and applying it to another year.
I really love just like talking to people, and that's something that's like this is like competitions have really helped me with. As I was really introverted and like couldn't talk to anybody, and so this has just helped me like come out of my shell and learn how to talk to people, and then just like the technical skills that you learn.
The unique aspect to the team is that it involves all students from all high schools. So it is a combined district team, which is kind of why this team has decided their name Unity for Tech. Unity being that we are from two schools, in addition to inviting those from around to join.
Last year for our smaller robots, we only had 3 people.
And this year we had like 15 or so.
They're excited about the team spirit in general and the fact that they're learning something new every day, including myself as a mentor. I'm learning stuff that it really inspires me at work. When I see them and I see them excited about that, I get more motivated to be better engineer.
The challenge itself is always really fun to watch because that changes every year, and it's just fun to see how different teams tackle the challenge in a totally different way.